yeah, I know all about dogs. I do, yeah. See, look on his face. You can know he's done something wrong, doesn't he? Because I know everything about dogs. See him over there? I train his dog. I'm brilliant.
We've all been there meeting Ken or Karen in the park. The problem with taking advice from people like Ken or Karen is they don't know your individual dog. I mean, it's fine getting advice from books, websites, but bearing in mind that there's a plethora of information out there and a lot of it is outdated. Ken's idea of training dogs might be quite archaic. The danger is you might start misunderstanding your dog, use punishment-based methods that can harm your bond with your dog. Historically, people would have said to let a baby cry out, but now we know that can lead them to feel stressed, and the same thing can happen with dogs too. Dealing with Ken or Karen, I mean, you can be as polite as you want, just say yes, thank you, and move on. Say that you've got to go to work, or just nod and smile. It's never a good idea to do what Ken and Karen tell you. You want to avoid any labels. You don't want Ken and Karen saying, oh, your dog's dominant, your dog's this, your dog's that. I think there are many armchair experts because there's so much on TV, TikTok, social media, but implementing information that you've just found on the internet is not a good idea. Some people think just because they've had a dog that they know everything about dogs, but that's a dangerous idea to have. Some of the biggest warning signs, someone that suggests that you should hit your dog or tell them off when they have done something that you don't like. You need to expose your dog and socialize them if they're barking and lunging at other dogs so they get over it. This is likely to flood them with cortisol and stress them out, or they might shut down so it looks like they're comfortable but actually they're really scared. And dogs like this can be more unpredictable. As a professional dog trainer or behaviourist, I can't give you the answer in the park. Therefore, Ken and Karen definitely won't be able to give you the answer in the park. The best way to find a genuine expert is to look on the Association of Pet Behaviour Counsellors website or the Federation of Animal Behaviourists. And they have a list of accredited clinical animal behaviourists and veterinary behaviourists too. What would I do if you came to me about your dog's behaviour? And not just me, any reputable behaviourist. The first thing is, on a behavioural assessment, we get a veterinary referral. There could be a health reason why your dog is behaving in a certain way. After we've looked at the clinical history and done a behavioural timeline to see if there's any links between the onset of the behaviour and any procedures or illnesses, then we decode your dog's behaviour. We look at the different situations that the behaviour happens in, what are the triggers, what could be maintaining the behaviour, and also the emotion, what your dog is feeling. If a dog is feeling scared and they learn that barking and lunging gets the other dog to move away or the person to move away, then that's really self-reinforcing, and there's nothing more reinforcing than feeling safe when you're scared. Hey presto, they're going to carry on using that behaviour if it works for them. If you'd like to chat to me about how I can help you and your dog, please email me hello@stpaulstraining.academy.co.uk or give me a call on 01727 537 289.